because I feel like documentation is actually one of the more important things when it comes to uh, anything that you're about to download. So usually they give you a brief synopsis of their documentation inside of their npm page for any package. But what I like to do is really actually look up, let's say in this case, Vue.js, and go to their official website and then actually browse their documentation. So as you can see here, a lot of um, software packages usually have docs, and they also have probably an API section and usually an about us section to tell you a little bit more about the project's motives and initiatives and things of that nature. But for us, we're kind of interested in really a tutorial to see how this whole thing works. And as you can see right here, it looks like they're showing you a little bit of, HTML code, a little bit about their prerequisites. But first impressions here, right off the bat, is they seem to be kind of organized in terms of their tutorials. So let's say I go here to their APIs just to see, if I can just parse through any of this. So I'm looking at create app, I'm reading into the details, looking at the arguments. And one thing that's kind of comforting is this looks similar to some other UI frameworks that I've used in the past. So yeah, at this point, I think I have a good starting point when it comes to just understanding this tool. It's good to know that they have documentation that appears to be well laid out and well formatted. And it's also good to see that Vue has a lot of folks that seem to actually, use it, which is what I can tell from here. But one other thing that I actually like to look at, if it's available, is to actually look at Vue.js's actual GitHub. So a lot of software projects usually have a GitHub, basically an open source place where you can kind of actually look into the code. So I can see they have a core, and it looks like everything here is kind of exposed, so I could actually dive into the code if I wanted to. But what usually I look at when I'm actually looking at a software project's GitHub is really the issues, to see if they have a lot of outstanding issues and issues that I feel like I might face. Let's say I'm doing a lot of work where I'm going to be making a lot of API calls or things of that nature. I may actually go here and see if there are any issues related to maybe Node APIs, or maybe specifically, let's say I'm working with Express. I may want to see if there's anything related to Express that just comes up right off the bat or something like that. I don't quite see anything right off the bat here, but let's just say that was something that I was interested in. It would actually be a good place to start looking for any like potential issues or potential resolutions to an issue right here. So this is something that I would definitely bookmark if I was looking into Vue.js. So just to take a step back, if I was ever looking to, move from one framework to another framework, let's say a UI framework, I would most likely come to the npm page, actually go here, bookmark this particular page, and then also bookmark the documentation that's relevant to me. And then what I would also do is actually take some time to review the GitHub issues and definitely bookmark any issues that are relevant to me, maybe issues that are open that haven't yet been resolved, or issues that have been closed that actually have maybe a workaround or a potential solution, just hidden inside the thread. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, because I notice a lot of folks, when they are getting started with Node, npm is kind of like still a mystery to them. So I wanted to just show you how you would use npm in this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.